Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can repost story on Instagram if you are not tagged. So in here, if you find your following story, for example this one, and you want to repost it, but as you guys can see here, I'm not tagged in this story. So what you need to do, if it's a photo, you can just screenshot like this. Okay, screenshot it, and after that you can go back to your Instagram homepage and click on the your story, then just select the photo and post it like this. You can just click on your story after that. That's the first option. But if it's a video, so let's find a video, for example. Okay, I want to repost this, so you can just use a screen recorder video on your phone. Just go to find the app, and here, for example, the screen recordings, click on this, and after that you can start recording the story and just follow the same steps to upload it and in your story. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this will be helpful. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Thank you for watching. Bye.